Hey everybody, today we are on the Blacksmith Fork in Utah. We're way upstream on it. It looks really beautiful. I'm really looking forward to fishing here. Should be fun. See how it goes. This is trout paradise. This is insane looking. Like, what is even, what? How good this looks is crazy. I wonder if the trout agree with me or not. Gotta be a bit sneaky here. Coming in. Oh, the shadow's hitting just right that I'm casting it across the stream. Wonderful. Okay, I finally got one, guys. And the dry fly eat on this was really cool, and I'm sorry I didn't catch it on camera because it was a neat one. Looks like a brown. Yep, it's a brown. Nice. Yeah, again, really cool dry fly eat. He like popped right out and started jumping around for it, so that's cool. Nice. Beautiful brown. Super pretty fish. Bye, bud. All right, just released our first fish of the trip, actually, our first fish of the day. Nice brown trout. I'm gonna see if I can get another one out of this area before I move upstream. I sure hope so. Now, fingers crossed, can we get another guy out of here? Well, this spot is absolutely insane. If I can figure out a good way to fish it. These are like the spookiest fish I've ever seen in my life. Like, you stand 100 feet away from them, way above them, sort of quartering behind them, and they'll spook. Like, it's absurd. It's not even funny. Would love to get a hit or like anything, please. That would be really nice. All right, we moved upstream a little bit. Only have an hour of fishing left before we need to head back because we are gonna run out of sunlight. So I'll see if I can catch any in that time frame. Hope so. Gosh, it's really beautiful up here. So this is supposed to be where all the elk come down from on the mountains in winter, is this valley here. I heard some elk this morning, but I did see a couple deer, but didn't see any elk. It's all like just dried grass through here. Never really been anywhere quite like this. It's very cool, very unique. This is not what the East Coast is like, I'll tell you that, and I'm loving it. I'm relatively sure I just saw it rise, but I was just sort of glanced quick and saw what looked like a ripple, so who knows. That's all twisted up there. There we go. I found a singular piece of grass I can get stuck on the whole bank to get stuck on. Because I'm just built different like that. What if I caught not one, but 2 fish in a day, guys? That would be amazing, right? I just had a really good take, and I had him on for a second, and then I immediately came off, obviously, because it's me. I never keep fish on ever. That was like that was a solid eat. Let's see if I can get him to take again. I don't think I can. All right, that's it for today, guys. Bit of a slow day, but just one fish, so it was really fun. It's a really pretty river, and I lost some, but it's been tough. See you in the next one. Ciao.